Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? I hope you're all good and well. Welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is mango lassi. So here are the ingredients. So I've got here half a litre of milk. That's whole milk. You can use the semi-skimmed as well if you want. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 2 fresh mangoes, and some ice cubes. So let's start the recipe. Add everything into the blender. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. This yogurt is very thick, so 4 should be enough. That's 2, 3, and that's 4. ਇਹ 4 ਸਪੂਨਾਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਦਹੀਂ ਦੀਆਂ, ਪਲੇਨ ਦਹੀਂ। ਇਹ ਹੁਣ ਕੱਟੇ ਹੋਏ ਅੰਬ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਾਈ ਛੋੜੋ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ। Okay, that दूध 1.5 लीटर दूध है ये भाई। इसने 4 क्यूब्स जरा ना बस आइस क्यूब बस। और इसकी ब्लेंड कर सा ब्लेंडर ब्लेंड कर ब्लेंड कर सा इसकी। तैयार हो गया। Should be enough for 4 glasses, so let's see. Mashallah, that's exactly 4 glasses. 4 पूरे 4 glass होया ये एक jug बड़ा। And here is a mango lassi ready, and my son's gonna try it for us.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
How is it?
Nice.
Okay,
nice.
Good. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching my video, and do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.